The Constitution of Greece, also known as the Hellenic Constitution, is the supreme law of the Hellenic Republic Greece. It was adopted on June 11, 1975, and has undergone several revisions since then. The current version of the Greek Constitution was most recently amended in 2008. Here are some of the salient features of the Greek Constitution. 1. Democracy. The Greek Constitution establishes Greece as a parliamentary republic, based on the principles of democracy. It recognizes the sovereignty of the Greek people and the separation of powers among the legislative, executive, and judicial branches of government. 2. Human rights. The Greek Constitution enshrines fundamental human rights and liberties. It guarantees the protection of individual freedoms, such as the right to life, liberty, and security, freedom of speech, religion, and association, and the right to a fair trial. It also prohibits torture, inhumane treatment, and discrimination based on various grounds, including race, religion, and gender. 3. Parliamentary system. Greece has a unicameral parliament, known as the Hellenic Parliament. It consists of a single chamber, called the Vouliton Ellenin, which is responsible for enacting laws and overseeing the government's activities. The Constitution outlines the procedures for elections, parliamentary sessions, and the formation of the government. 4. Head of state. The President of the Hellenic Republic is the ceremonial head of state in Greece. The Constitution defines the powers and responsibilities of the President, who is elected by the Parliament for a 5-year term. The President's role includes representing Greece internationally, granting pardons, and appointing high-ranking public officials. 5. Prime Minister and Cabinet. The Greek Constitution establishes the office of the Prime Minister as the head of government. The Prime Minister is appointed by the President and is usually the leader of the political party or coalition that holds the majority in Parliament. The Prime Minister forms the cabinet, consisting of ministers who oversee various governmental departments. 6. Constitutional Court. Greece has a constitutional court, known as the Arios Pagos. It is the highest judicial authority in constitutional matters and ensures the conformity of laws with the Constitution. The Constitutional Court has the power to examine the constitutionality of legislation and make binding decisions. 7. Local government. The Greek Constitution recognizes the importance of local government and grants significant autonomy to municipalities and regions. It establishes the principles of local self-government and provides for the election of local representatives. 8. Amendments. The Greek Constitution can be amended through a special procedure. Proposed amendments must be approved by at least a 2/3 majority of the total number of members of Parliament, followed by general elections. Certain provisions of the Constitution, such as human rights, are safeguarded and cannot be amended. These are some of the salient features of the Greek Constitution, which provide the framework for the functioning of the state and the protection of individual rights and freedoms in Greece. Thanks for watching this video and also subscribe Advocate Buzzard Show channel.